Hey everybody and welcome, Steve from OpenBOM, and in today's video I want to catch you up, September 2021, catch up on what's going on with OpenBOM for NetSuite. I've signed into my NetSuite account, I've also signed into my OpenBOM account, and we're going to take a look at a skateboard bill of material. This is a variation on the sample data that you have. I like this because it's simple, yet it has structure. You know, axles with wheels, and wheels assemblies have wheels and bearings and things. And we're going to import all this structure, this bill of material with all this structure into NetSuite. Now I'm running NetSuite Advanced, which means I can create revisions and multi-level bills of material. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, all the NetSuite installations can all be, you know, kind of varied and different. So I'm just going to start by creating a new bill of material in NetSuite. I'm going to call this one my skateboard September 21st. So once I have that created, I'm going to create a new revision, and this is where we import the bill of material from OpenBOM, and I do that by giving it the revision a name. In my case, I'm just going to call it Rev1. Then I'm going to provide the part number. That's the part number of my skateboard bill of material. And then what you'll see here when you click on the engineering tab is that we will bring over that skateboard BOM from OpenBOM and display it right inside of NetSuite. Now this is where, before importing this is where I might visit the settings dialog and go ahead and map which properties come from OpenBOM and go where in NetSuite. And again, all the different configurations can be different, and we can provide more details on that. But when I'm ready to import it, I'm going to update my NetSuite manufacturing BOM. So it's just that simple. And what's going on now is the NetSuite Suite app is creating a new revision in NetSuite, and then going over to OpenBOM, fetching the BOM, taking a look at it. You know, individual items like the screw and the labor will come over into NetSuite as individual items, and then things that have structure like that axle or that wheel assembly will be brought in as part of the structure, and assembly BOMs will be built for those as well inside of NetSuite. So we'll get that whole tree structure in NetSuite, just like it is in OpenBOM. So once that's complete, we get a message that says we brought in 8 components and 3 assemblies, and let's see what we have. Well, we start by saving that bill of material that we just created, and we see now that we have revision 1. So let's investigate this revision 1 a little bit in NetSuite. Okay, we see that we've got all the individual items here. Then we've also got a subassembly. So let's dive down a little deeper into that subassembly. And we see that this is for our axle assembly. And we can investigate that a little further. See that we've created an assembly for that has, you know, both an axle and another subassembly. Okay, this is our wheel assembly. We can investigate this a little more closely. See, in fact, that it is the wheel assembly, and if we'd like to, we can once again drill down into that as well and see that has the wheel and finally the bearing in there. And then if we drill down deeply, we'll see that we have the wheel and the bearing in there. So just to recap, we started by creating that multi-level structure in OpenBOM, and then in NetSuite, creating a bill of material there, creating a revision, and using the OpenBOM Suite app to bring that into NetSuite. I hope you found that useful, and we'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.